me lovelies, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna just show you what we got here behind us, this new awning. Tell you a bit about it. I'm gonna show you what make it is. Right, so I'm gonna turn camera around because you ain't gonna want to see my ugly mug. And if you're wondering why, obviously I've got a hoodie on, which if you watch the last video or whenever it goes out, you'll know why. I'm basically sunburned. It's been a gorgeous weekend because I've been in the sun. My arms are red raw and I'm fair skinned, and I've got to be careful with my skin, and now it's really sore, it's hurting. So it's all on my ears, all on my neck, all on my arms. I'll take this off, let's have a bit of respect. We'll take that off. My ears are red raw, my neck's sore. If I keep my collar up a little bit. There we go. You don't want to see me with a hoodie on, do you? So, I'm going to turn camera around and show you the awning. We'll show you inside first and then work our way out. So here you got a door. The door is a door. I've just folded it over. It's only going to show you. It's not a review or anything. So this is a door, porch awning door. So it comes all the way across and blocks this whole area in so nothing gets wet. You also get with this your ground sheet, not the blue one, that's what we bought, but you get the big ground sheet that fits. As you can see, it's literally a corner all the way edge to edge, pretty much all the way around. You get a sewn in ground sheet in the bedroom area, which also comes with its own door. You've also got the curtains, which are toggle curtains but goes all the way down for each side. But this side, we'll come to this in a minute. But here's the bedroom compartment. You can actually get inner tent areas for these, and they clamp up on these areas. So you've got little clips there, one over there, one over there. Got window here as well. Great big wall bit at the back with a big air vent here with a fly in there. Got another air vent here. You've also got your electric hookup point that you feed out, which we've got down here for now. You've got curtains here with fly nets, and you get little Velcro strips here. These are for lights that you can get as extras on here. So you get little bits here, little toggles all the way around. Like, you get a lot for your money on these. You've even got little, obviously we don't use them, I've just left them tied up, zips, so you could put obviously different things on the zips all the way along both sides. And I'll get onto these now. This is a door. So this is a drive away awning. We'll get to the name in a minute. But basically, you've got a big area from this pillar to that pillar, which folds out and connects onto your van. So then basically, if someone's sleeping in here, instead of opening this door, you can open this door. So you're not disturbing anybody in the bedroom compartment. So you've got two doors instead of one, so that's really useful to have. So you can imagine how big the area will be between here and the van when you attach it. You've got another air vent down there, which I actually didn't know about till now. But all zips up, there's plenty of sight here. You've got another strip thing here, plenty of toggles, more things for lights so you can Velcro up the lights. We've just got one of our fly things there on a hoop, so all on here, more Velcro for other lights, so you can get lights for this awning. They've just Velcro on. So I'll have to get a picture as well of this. So I'm not going to go into size dimensions, but this is a height of 180 to 220. They do taller ones, which I think is something like 2 to 255. But they're all toggled. The door's also got curtains on as well, so even if you need more space or someone to sleep, you can sleep them in this section here. Close the door because it's got curtains on as well, so you've got plenty of privacy. So this is an Outdoor Revolution. It's a Cayman Air T3. I will put it at the top so you can see what it's called. But these at the minute, if you want one, you need to be quick, because these are from 2025 and I think now they're discontinuing them. So there's a limited amount left and they're on for a really, really good price. It is an air beam as well. But lovely colours. Look, the guy ropes here. like a nice turquoisey colour, nice grey, like silvery with a dark, or light grey to dark grey, and it's very, very easy to put up. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Lovely bird poop. So we'll come around the back. You can see there's plenty of toggle spots. So I'm going to tell you another thing that you get with this tent in a minute as well. So you got your air vent bit here, big one, all the way along. So as you can see, you can just see a ground sheet down there. So literally corner to corner. It's brilliant. There's nothing really to see down this side. As you can see, the electrical cable. So you can see how big the windows are. So you can individually, like you can lower them halfway or all the way, and they roll up. They've got toggles on, so you can toggle them on. This is where side that you pump them up on. So you've got valves here, you get the air pump and everything with it. And also, right, I'm trying to see where, here's one for instance. You also get rock pegs with it. These are the pegs that I bought, the orange ones down here. I'm not sure if you can see them with the light. We bought the orange ones because I just thought they'll be them cheap nasty ones, but no, you actually get rock pegs with it, which I was surprised about. So this is the other side. So this will be, I've rolled it up. This is your canopy bit that attaches to your van. So if you look at ours, you can see the problem. Obviously, our van's too big, but I bought this for a reason. I didn't actually want one that attaches to the van. I just wanted it so I could bring the van up and then have it open so I could just drive it on and off when I want, instead of taking this off, just doing all this. It's just an easy one. So I've rolled it up. This attaches so you can see how big it'll be, this area. So this will obviously be your bedroom section, and this is like your awning section. So if someone's in the bedroom, you can go through this door so you're not disturbing anybody. But yeah, really, really good awning. And another benefit, it's an all-season awning. I didn't know that until I read up on it. It's an all-season awning. So you can use it all year round as well. It is a nice, quite a thick fabric as well. It's nice fabric. It's actually thicker than our tent that we had. It's a 3000mm hydro head. So it's really good on the waterproofing. But I really like this. It's so easy to put up, apart from if you get the connections right for when you're pumping it up, which I didn't. It's all new to me though. Haven't had an awning before, and I haven't had an Outdoor Revolution before. But yeah, very, very, very nice awning. But if you want to know what this one will attach to, this will not attach if you're using these parts that attach to your van on an awning rail, because the awning rail is actually inside here rolled up. So it can attach as long as you've got an awning rail. But if I come out here, you can see the problem. Our van is quite tall compared to that. You can get bigger ones. Like I said, you get the 200 over 255. This is 180 over 220. So that's obviously, it's not big enough for mine. I would have to go for the bigger one for this van. But it's for these size vans, the little ones like you got the Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Traffic, the Ford Transit. This would be the one that this one would fit onto. But for me, I wasn't bothered because I didn't actually want to attach them. Plus I haven't got an awning rail on the van anyway. I just wanted it to the side so I can just easily drive on, drive off, done. So yeah, they did have them for sale on Outdoor World Direct. But as you can see, just before we shoot off, you can see there's a big double airbed there. You can easily get another one there. And you can probably get one of them that got quite high, because the back wall isn't a steep slope, it's quite a straight slope, so you can get it right to the back wall, which is another benefit of this awning, which I like. And you've got this strap here, which would be like your storm strap, I'm guessing, so that'll come right out to hold it all up. I haven't used it, it's not much wind, and it's hot. But yeah, I got this off eBay, obviously brand new from a company. There's also another company, Norwich Camping, and at the minute they've got a good offer on it. I don't want to be telling everybody the price. You'd have to have a look for yourself. But if you want one, get these ones whilst you can, because they are discontinuing these ones, because I'm guessing they are bringing a new one out. But whilst you've got them at the price that they're at the minute, for an air beam awning especially, you know, these air beam awnings can go anywhere upwards of £600, £700, £800, even £1,000. Possibly even this might have been around that price when it first come out, because you've got the bedroom area and you can add extras to it as well as add-ons. So if you want one of these awnings, before they go, the time is now to get them. But so far, obviously we haven't had it in the rain, we ain't had no rain. And it holds the heat as well. We've only got a little heater in there, and it has been cold at night, and it's held the heat quite well. But then again, it's an all-season one. But it's, yeah, we love it. It's definitely going to make it a lot easier if we're going onto a campsite. Can bung this up, gives you that extra bit of room. If it rains, instead of all bundling in there, you can bundle in the awning, shove everything in the awning, extra space for extra people or whatever. Oh, I've left my phone on the floor. Best grab that, because Tina and my mum ain't here. No. But yes, absolutely fantastic awning. Especially if you just want that bit of space. Don't need to have it attached, as I say. Even if you had a big van or a motorhome, just roll these edges up and just use it as extra space, and then you can just drive it on and off without having to unattach or attach anything. Absolutely brilliant. Right, I think that's all of it for now. I'll come back to you if I can think of anything else. That's all I can think of it for now. But yeah, they're on a good price at the minute, but there's going to be a limited amount. So if you miss this one, Alfie wants to say hello.
I'm doing video and
Oh yeah. So yeah, if you wanted one of these, go online, just go on Google, because there is several other places, but some people are still charging silly prices. But just type in Outdoor Revolution Cayman T3 Air, and they do various sizes. But if you only want it for extra space and you don't want it attached, I'd just go for the smaller one, because I can stand up fully in this. Obviously I've got a duck at the door, but look at how much head height I have got. So I'll put it up my head. Look at how much headroom. Even if I go to the edge, that's your cat broke, Harvey. I've still got headroom at the side. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little show. It's no review or anything. I just wanted to show you. Obviously I got this. I didn't get it sent to me, so I thought I'd show you. So anyway, love and leave yous for now. Hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to do all the good things for us. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, give us a comment, and give us a hype. We truly much appreciate it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Catch you soon. Ta-da. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you all again very soon.